Welcome to Finance Hub. Today we're diving into the exciting world of credit scores and the factors that go into determining them. First things first, what is a credit score? A credit score is a three-digit number that represents your creditworthiness. It's like your financial report card, and it's used by lenders to determine your risk level as a borrower. The higher your credit score, the better your chances of being approved for credit and the lower your interest rates will be. It's a crucial part of your financial health, and it's important that you understand how it works. But have you ever wondered how your credit score is determined? Well, it's all about the data. Credit scores are calculated using a variety of factors, including your payment history, credit utilization, credit history length, and the types of credit you have. Let's take a closer look at each of these factors. Payment history is the most important factor in determining your credit score. Lenders want to see that you have a history of being responsible with your finances and making your payments on time. So, if you're consistently late or miss payments, it's going to hurt your score. Late payments can stay on your credit report for up to 7 years, so it's important to stay on top of your payments. Credit utilization is the second most important factor. This refers to the amount of credit you're using compared to the amount of credit you have available. Lenders prefer to see that you're not maxing out your credit cards or taking on too much debt. It's like the old saying goes, don't bite off more than you can chew. It's recommended to keep your credit utilization below 30% to maintain a good credit score. Credit history length is also considered. A longer credit history can be more favorable to lenders as it demonstrates that you've been responsible with credit for a longer period of time. It's like the more experience you have, the better you are at something. The longer your credit history, the more data a lender has to evaluate your creditworthiness. Finally, lenders also look at the types of credit you have. A mix of different types of credit, such as a mortgage, car loan, and credit card, can be more favorable than having just one type. It's like having a well-rounded portfolio. Having different types of credit shows that you can handle different types of financial responsibility. But here's the best part, your credit score is not set in stone. You have the power to improve it. By paying your bills on time, keeping your credit utilization low, and making sure that you have a good mix of different types of credit, you can boost your score and put yourself in a better position to get approved for credit and lower interest rates. It's also important to check your credit report regularly to make sure that there are no errors or inaccuracies that may be hurting your score. You are entitled to one free credit report per year from each of the 3 major credit bureaus. So, whether you're looking to buy a new car, purchase a home, or just want to have a better credit score, understanding the factors that go into determining your credit score is the first step. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. What do you think about improving your credit score? Don't forget to leave your comments and questions below. And as always, thanks for watching Finance Hub.